इंडियन रिझर्व्ह बँक भारतीय रुपयाच्या चढ उताराचेर बारकायेन लक्ष दिवन आसा अशें केंद्रीय अर्थमंत्री निर्मला सीतारामन हांणी म्हणलां। वेपारांत जावपी चढ उतार हे चलना खातीर नवे धोके निर्माण करीत आसात अशेंय ती म्हणटा। रुपयांच्या चलनांत जाल्ल्या बदलाक लागून आयातींत बदल जावन त्यो म्हारग जातल्यो अशेंय ती म्हणटा।
You're equally aware that the rupee versus the dollar and other currencies versus the dollar, rupee has performed relatively better. And therefore, with the Reserve Bank keeping a keen eye, we are, at least the governors, periodically in touch with me, giving me inputs about how Reserve Bank is monitoring the situation. So on the exchange rate of the rupee, I am confident that the Reserve Bank and together with the Ministry of Finance, we are keeping a good eye on it. Yes, what it would have as an impact immediately is imports will become expensive. Because your rupee, you'll have to pay more. Imports will become expensive. And that is one thing which I'm very watchful and mindful about, because a lot of our industries do depend on some more essential goods to be imported for their production. But these are realities.